Morning students, today we discuss the second lesson in your PS textbook, acids, bases and salts. Acids, bases and salts. Okay, now we discuss the formation of acids, the formation of bases and the formation of salts. And the examples of acids, examples of bases and examples of salts. Okay, first one, acids. Acids, acids. Formation of acid. The non-metallic oxides are dissolved in water to form acids. The non-metallic oxides are dissolved in water to form acids. Non-metallic oxides are dissolved in water to form acid. For example, SO2. SO2 is a non-metallic oxide. Here S is a non-metal, sulfur, non-metal. Sulfur react with oxygen to form non-metallic oxide. Sulfur dioxide, non-metallic oxide. Dissolved in water. Dissolved in water to form H2SO3, sulfurous acid. H2SO3. H2SO3. It is a sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid. SO2, SO3. SO3. It is also sulfur trioxide. It is also non-metallic oxide. Dissolved in water. Dissolved in water to form H2SO4. 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 CO2. CO2. Carbon dioxide. It is also non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxide. Carbon is a non-metal. It is react with oxygen. React with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. It is a non-metallic oxide. Dissolved in water H2O. Dissolved in water H2O to form H2CO3. To form H2CO3. Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. Next one. N2 P2O3. P2O3. It is a phosphorus trioxide. Phosphorus trioxide, phosphorus oxide. Here phosphorus is a non-metal. React with oxygen to form non-metallic oxide. This non-metallic oxide dissolved in water. Dissolved in water H2O gives rise to 2H3PO3. 2H3PO3. Here 3H2O. So P2O3 plus 3H2O. 3 molecules of water to form 2 molecules of H3PO3. Phosphorus acid H3PO3. 2H3PO3. P2O5 plus 3H2O gives rise to 2H3PO4. 2H3PO4. 2 molecules of phosphoric acid H3PO4 is the phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. And H2 plus Cl2. H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to 2HCl. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Here both are non-metals. Hydrogen and chlorine both are non-metals. To form hydrogen molecule react with the chlorine molecule to form hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. This hydrogen chloride gas really it is hydrogen chloride gas. This hydrogen chloride gas enter into water to form hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Last one CH3COOH. CH3COOH. It is acetic acid. Acetic acid or methanoic acid, weak acid. CH3 is a methyl. COOH is a carboxylic acid group. Carboxylic acid group. So methanoic acid, methyl acid or acetic acid. So these are some examples of acids. Some examples of acid. First one H2SO3, sulfurous acid. Next one H2SO4, sulfuric acid. H2CO3, carbonic acid. H3PO3, phosphorus acid. H3PO4, phosphoric acid. HCl, hydrochloric acid. CH3COOH, it is a acidic acid. So non-metallic, mainly non-metallic oxides are dissolved in water. Non-metallic oxide, these are all non-metallic oxides are dissolved in water, to form acids, Next one, bases. Next one, bases. Metallic oxides are dissolved in water to form bases. Metallic oxides are dissolved in water to form bases. Metallic oxide. For example, Na2O. Na2O. Na here, Na is the metal. It is react with oxygen to form metal oxide. Sodium oxide, it is a metal oxide or metallic oxide. Dissolved in water, to form 2NaOH. 2NaOH. 2 molecules of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is strong base. Next one, K2O. K is the symbol of potassium. Potassium is a metal. It reacts with oxygen to form metal oxide. So K2O is a metal oxide. Dipotassium oxide or potassium oxide, metal oxide. This metal oxide is dissolved in water. Plus H2O. Dissolved in water to form 2KOH. 2 molecules of potassium hydroxide. So KOH is the potassium hydroxide. Next one, MgO. Here Mg is the magnesium metal. React with oxygen to form metal oxide, magnesium oxide, MgO, metal oxide. So MgO, this metal oxide dissolved in water. To form MgOH twice. This is a magnesium hydroxide. CaO. Next one, CaO. Here Ca is the symbol of calcium. It is a metal. Ca is the metal, calcium. React with oxygen to form metal oxide. Calcium oxide, metal oxide. It is dissolved in water. H2O to form CaOH twice. Another example of basis, ZnO. Here Zn is the zinc. It is a metal. React with oxygen to form metal oxide. So ZnO is a metal oxide. It is dissolved in water. H2O to form ZnOH twice. Zinc hydroxide. Next one, NH3. NH3 is the ammonium. It is a not metal oxide, but NH3 is a ammonia. This ammonia is react with dissolved in water H2O to form NH4 NH4OH. This is a ammonium hydroxide. Ammonia is dissolved in water. It is a non-metal oxide, but ammonia dissolved in water to form ammonium hydroxide. So these are all some examples of bases. First one NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Second one KOH, potassium hydroxide. Third one MgOH twice, magnesium hydroxide. Next one CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide. Next one ZnOH twice, zinc hydroxide. Then NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide, it is a weak base. These are all some examples of bases. Okay, bases. Next one salts. 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 Acids react with bases. Acids react with bases to form salts and water. Acids react with bases to form salt and water. Salt and water. For example, acid HCl, hydrochloric acid, react with base NaOH, sodium hydroxide to form salt NaCl. Here this is the Na and the Cl. This Na react with the Cl to form NaCl, salt, common salt, table salt, NaCl, and H2O to form H2O. Acid react with base to form salt and water. Again, another example. This is the first example. Another example. CH3COOH. CH3COOH. It is a weak acid. Acetic acid. It is a weak acid. React with base. For example, NaOH. Sodium hydroxide. That is a strong base. It is a weak acid. So acid CH3COOH, acetic acid. Acetic acid. This is the acetic acid. React with base sodium hydroxide to form sodium hydroxide to give CH3COONA plus H2O, salt and water. Here so acetic acid react with sodium hydroxide, acid as a base to form salt and water. Here salt CH3COONA. ఇక్కడ CH3COO అనేది salt. That name of that CH3COONA is sodium acetate. CH3COONA. That is a salt and water. Okay. Here as the second lesson, acid, base and salt. All non-metallic oxides are dissolved in water to form acids. All metallic oxides are dissolved in water to form bases. Acid react with base or base react with acids to form salt and water. Some examples of acids. HCl is a hydrochloric acid. H2SO3 is a sulfurous acid. H2SO4 sulfuric acid. H2CO3 is a carbonic acid. H3PO3 it is a phosphorus acid. H3PO4 it is a phosphoric acid. HNO2 it is a nitrous acid. HNO3 it is a nitric acid. CH3COOH it is a acetic acid, weak acid. Some examples of acid. Some examples of bases. NaOH, sodium hydroxide, KOH, potassium hydroxide, MgOH twice, MgOH twice zinc hydroxide, CaOH twice, CaOH twice calcium hydroxide, ZnOH twice zinc hydroxide, and NH4OH ammonium hydroxide. These are all some examples of bases. All hydroxides are called bases. All bases gives OH minus ions. All acid gives H plus ions. For example, on heating, HCl is dissolved into H plus Cl minus. So all acid gives H plus ions. On heating, bases NaOH base. On heating, this base is divided into Na plus OH minus. All bases gives OH minus ions. All acid gives H plus ions. Acid react with base. Acid react with base or base react with acid to form salt and water. Here NaCl is a salt, stable salt, common salt. CH3CONA, sodium acetate, it is a salt. Salt అంటే ఓన్లీ NaCl కాదు, ప్రెసిపిటేట్ స్టేట్ లో ఉన్న ఏదైనా సాల్టే, శాండ్ సాల్టే, షుగర్ పార్టికల్స్ సాల్టే, క్రిస్టల్ స్టేట్ లో ఉన్న ఏదైనా సరే సాల్టే. ఓకే, దిస్ రియాక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ న్యూట్రలైజేషన్ రియాక్షన్. Neutralization. Reaction. This reaction also called neutralization reaction. What is meant by neutralization reaction? Acid react with base or base react with acid to form salt and water. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. Okay student, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.